Nidularium, belonging to the Bromeliad, is a small genus comprising 42 species, all native to eastern Brazil. Nidularium, sometimes commonly known as Fireball, is an evergreen perennial found growing as an epiphyte or lithophite. Bromeliads play an important part in rainforest ecology, that it is replicated in vivariums and provide a place for dart frogs to lay their eggs and raise tadpoles. Nidulariums are medium-sized plants with inflorescences forming low in the center of rosettes. At flowering time, the collarette of shortened inner leaves turns brilliant red, rose, or cerise, depending on the species. The flowers are red, white, or blue, and the leaves are usually glossy and finely spun. Fireball produces rosettes of variegated, strap-shaped foliage with toothed edges. The leaves change from green to red tinged when grown under adequate light. Plants of the genus Nidularium are grown in pots at home. Use loose soil, which is a mixture of peat, slightly decomposed leaf humus, coarse-grained sand, pebbles, and fertile land. Frequent watering is necessary during the period of active growth and development. In winter, water a little to maintain the soil in a slightly moist state. To maintain a high level of humidity in the hot months, it is recommended to fill the tray with wet pebbles, or often spread the plants with water. Good companion plants include cordylines, roids, palms, and begonias. The bromeliad is named after a Chinese wordplay and symbolizes that good fortune is arriving. You don't need a lot of space to grow bromeliads. These plants stay compact and won't try to take over your living room. In fact, they're ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or mobile homes. And because they are so colorful and compact, they are the perfect collectible.